Changing the cabin filter in a Subaru Crosstrek and other Subarus of this area. This is a 2015 Crosstrek. We'll open the glove box first. Now on the side here, on the right hand side, there's this little shock that kind of softens the opening and closing, and that just pushes on. So pull that just to the side, just pull it until it pops off. Okay. Now the glove box has these little tabs back here on the right hand side and the left hand side. You just need to push in on both sides with two hands and we'll pop the glove box down. Okay, remove the owner's manual. Now again, just two hands, one on each side, left and right. You kind of just push in. You do it side to side or both hands at the same time. It's a bit tight, just keep pushing and popping it till it folds down like that. And then the glove box actually just pops out. It's got these little clips that clip on down here. And then it's out of the way. Now you can reach up and just pull the old filter out. Just slides out. Look at that one's all dirty, nasty, messy. Oh my goodness. And they come as just kind of one piece like that with the door and everything on these Subarus. So here's the new one all in the package. Okay, the new one out of the package. It even says this side up. Now you can stick a shop vac in there and clean it out too if it's really dirty. Just put the new one in, slide it in. It only goes in one way. Push it till it clips in. Kind of just stops. And that's it. The next step is to clip the glove box back in with these. Line it up on those two clips there at the bottom. Push it back up into place. These things will just bend in and go up like that. And put on this little shock absorber on the outside. Pop it back on like that. Just pop it, push it back on till it clips. And put the owner's manual back in. And that's it. That's how you change the cabin air filter on a modern Subaru. This is a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, but they're very similar. Impreza, Forester, Legacy, everything, Outback. Thanks for watching.